So here I'm gonna show y'all how to change the battery on a new style Toyota Smart Key. And this goes for any one, whether it's Corolla, Camry, Highlander, RAV4. If it's the new style, it works the same way. So real easy. At the top part, you'll see where your key ring is. It's a little latch right here, and you just pull this latch back like this. Just pull it back and pull the key out, the valet key. And the tip of the valet key is going to fit in this little socket right there. So what you're going to do, you want to stick that key right there, give it a little pressure, push it in and give it a little twist, and then it's open. So, and if yours has the information that's not on the back, you'll find it on the inside. But take this piece, and there's your battery, and that's pretty much it. Alright, y'all have a good day.